Welcome back everybody to another healthy video. Today we're making a whole wheat pizza with 4 slices of bread as the base. Delicious, healthy whole wheat and low calorie marinara sauce. Not really low calorie, it's just naturally low calorie because it's just made with tomatoes. And we have mozzarella, 4 ounces of mozzarella, 2 ounces of turkey pepperoni. Not as good as regular pepperoni, but it's healthy and it's protein packed. And we got a pizza thing with holes in it, allows for even cooking of the pizza. And you can opt out and get the regular pan. It's not gonna be as good, but it'll work. And then we have our 4 slices of bread. We're gonna take these 2 slices and we're gonna put them into Happy Town. Happy Town is a toaster. Get it about halfway toasted, and then you're gonna put it back on the tray. We're gonna smash it in and make pockets for our ingredients. Smash the cracks together, make them one. We're not making 4 slices of pizza, we're making 1 pizza. And if you want to freaking make it delicious, put olive oil all over it and garlic powder. That will make it taste like garlic bread, and it will change your life. But we're just gonna go with the marinara this time. So evenly disperse the marinara, fill in the cracks, get it all the way out to the crust. That way the crust doesn't burn. The key to a pizza is making it really pretty. You can just look at it and eat it with your eyes, and you can eat it with your mouth later. So we're gonna do some cheese time. Cheese from the outside in. This is so important. It's the opposite of what actual people who make pizza do, but this is what I do. Make the outside look pretty, then make the inside look pretty. That is the key to a bread pizza. Okay, we're in uncharted territory right now. All right, so we're gonna start with the pepperoni. And just spiral out, really. Just spiral out to the end. Just fill in all the little creases because we don't have to worry about covering up the cheese because guess what? Guess what? We have another layer of cheese coming, people. Another layer. The other half of the cheese is going on top. And look how beautiful it is. I wish I could have a bath, just a bath of mozzarella cheese. I would just soak there for days. And now we have an Italian herbs and spices. We're gonna coat the whole pizza with that. I don't really know what's in it, but it's a bunch of herbs and spices. Next, we're gonna put the oven up to 425. You probably should have done this a while back, or you're gonna have to wait a little bit, but we're gonna stick it in there, okay? 425 for 10 minutes. This step never changes. It's always 10 minutes. Gets a nice even cook without burning the pizza. But now what we're gonna do, the second step, is we're gonna change it up to 450 for another 10 minutes. And now this is what makes everything crispy, gives you that nice char on top of your pizza. It's absolutely imperative. Now take out your freaking pizza. Whoa, that is on bread? Are you freaking serious right now? Look at it. Look how beautiful it cuts. It just separates like the Red Sea. Look at that thing. Man. It looks like a deep dish pizza from freaking Pizza Hut or something. Look how beautiful it cuts. Look at the cheese, it just smashes down. Look at that crust. That's bread. That's bread, people. Look how it just separates. They're all in perfect squares, just perfect squares of happiness. Look at this guy. What a lucky bastard. Oh, he gets to eat it. What's he thinking? Yeah, he's shaking his head. Okay.
Oh, it's so crispy.
Yeah, it does look crispy. It looks beautiful. Look at he's up. Look at it. Look how thin and look at that crust. When you smash it down like that, it gets all crispy. It gets all the follicles get smashed together and makes something beautiful. Oh yeah, he's excited.
It tastes like real pizza.
It does look like pizza. It does. It looks like something new, like something just that never existed until this moment. Something of pure beauty and pure taste mixed together. Look at it. It's all in the face, people. That is something that tastes good. Something that tastes look at his eyes. Look at that. He looks like he's staying at a Holiday Inn Express last night. That is how happy he is. Pure enjoyment. It's like he's having a continental breakfast every morning for the rest of his life. That is what this world is about, people. It's about being happy. It's about feeling good. It's about eating pizza for the rest of your life. Day in and day out. It never gets old. Don't listen to what people say. Pizza never gets old.